Hi everybody, my name is Peter King with Cypher Robotics. We're here at the Hannover Messe conference in Hanover, Germany with our partners Ericsson, discussing why Captis, our autonomous cycle counting inventory robot, combined with Ericsson's 5G private networks, are solving some very challenging problems in a warehouse environment. A little walkthrough of our robot. We are combining a couple of things to create one autonomous solution in your warehouse. So the first thing you'll notice is the bottom of our system is an elegant AMR solution, autonomous AMR solution, combined with this chassis system to allow us to trundle up and down warehouses for up to 5 hours at a time, collecting inventory counts. Combined with the base unit here, we have a tether system inside this robot connected to those batteries, which then is connected to a drone solution. This drone solution then allows us to get up to significant heights within a warehouse solution to collect that data and provide real-time information through that Ericsson 5G network directly into your WMS system.